I did not expect to buy so fast something new, but here we have it. KTM 640. It's really different than the Transo, so there are some things that need to be done, but I can get a good deal, I think. Paid 2,350 euros for it. The guy wanted to have more originally, but there are too many small things. New tires you need, oil change, etc, etc. So it's a bit different. You have to kickstart it because the battery is almost empty. It's almost dead. And it's really shaky motorcycle compared to what I previously had. The Transo, of course, didn't shake as much. So let's go. Still filming? Yes, we are. And the rear brake is really annoying to get in. So we'll do something about that. Completely different